Kadaama TV, Kadaama bamuforcinga okubeera ng'agenda okukola mu nnyumba endala, ekintu ky'atakkiriziganya nakyo kuba ennyumba gye yasayininga gy'alinako contract y'ennyumba gy'amanyi era gy'alimu, naye boosi we ayagala mutunda mu nnyumba ndala abeere nga akola eyo mu nnyumba eyo. Twagala okutugoberera ensonga eno n'okuwuliriza Kadaama ekintu kino ye agenda kikwasaganya atya.
Nkulamusizaako ssebo. Munaye nsaba kunnyamba. Baŋŋamba kuntwala mu nnyumba ndala, kyokka baŋŋamba kuntwala katikati. Kyokka nkuba ku ssimu eya Uganda teriiko, eya Saudi nayo ye eragira ddala nti teriiko ne ku imo gye nkozesa kuba siinaako data. Naye kati nkole ntya?
Now, maybe today you go and work another home.
Another home?
Another home. Okay? It's up to you. You need to stay with him, no problem. You check. After this, you do work 1 week in home. This is not original home. Because he has another cigar. He go and he travel, he go at the original home after 1 week. Okay? Maybe today go. Same salary, same everything. Table good. Check for you. It's okay, okay, not okay? Go home.
You told me to go in another house, not here.
Not here, yeah. Maybe today.
Wait, may I first ask? Because you were the one who brought me here, not?
I didn't understand.
You were the one who take me. You were the one who supposed to be with me.
He paid. He pays salary. Not pay, you call me, I pay, and no problem. أنا بدفع له إحنا بندفع الشغل، فين نقول كفاية. راتب السالري. إذا ما عطوا واحد المسؤول عنه. It's okay. Salary, no pay, tell me, huh? Okay. Understand?
First wait. Give me a time when I told you.
Huh?
Give me a time because I don't know that.
What time?
I don't know that.
No, because today he take. Huh? This, wait. What time? You work here or here, no problem. This people. You just, why are you just today, shall work here or here, no problem. This for good, just for you.
كان مستحيل يكون فايت هلا. أنا متأكدة إنه مستحيل. ليه ما أجى زعلني؟ لا مسؤول. كان كل وقت بيحاكيني ونبغى مسؤول. حتى لو بعثت له مصاري بعثت له إياهم على سوريا. يكون عامل خطة سوري هو.
Another house. Today, maybe stay 1 week, another home. In original home, this only woman and man, big women and big woman. Help him. Okay? Now, this choose for you. You need, okay. Not you need, you go home. Why? Listen, tell me.
I'm not going to answer you this time because my mind is confused. My son is sick, but you told me to move in the house. Give me at least the time.
What time?
Okay, I'm going to come back to talk with you because my mind is not okay.
Not because,
My son is too sick. But you told me to save.
because
I don't
that,
have
because that, because that,
this time.
because that. I think your son sick and you're in country food. But I think for you in going home, I think I bring in that another home because here no need because Hela he go in another city. Let's stay here. He walk another city. Understand? He walk another city. He'll work, finish vacation. Take vacation for children. Now finish. He go in another city. Okay? Now I think you tell me last time you have been people sick and the problem in your country, right? I think you need money, right?
I need money.
Yeah, you need money. I give you another paper. I am with you. Understand me? No things another. And I need help you. Okay? Nothing in the you here problem cut. No, I am not push. I am not push. I am you need money, another home. Okay, go. It's better from go your country. Inshallah, good people. Inshallah. Malum, inshallah.
I know, mashallah.
Inshallah, good people. Inshallah. ما في good الشغل. Hele work another city, too far city, 300 kilometers, and he takes children. Okay? No need here. Nothing more. You here come and take money, right? Nothing more. Why think more? Alhamdulillah, another work. Good, money, good. I am with you. You must believe me. Okay? I am not with you. But you tell me before 3 days I am with children sick and problem in the new country. I think you must stay here another home. Understand?
Give me that. Give me this day. I will answer.
Okay. Today, tell me.
Leave me this day.
This day, tomorrow, tell me.
Yeah, leave me this day to answer you. I can't stay to again.